So this is the food forest. So I got some fennel, loose leaf fennel. It's quite nice in Italian dishes and roast vegetables. So I've got raspberries here, some pears. These are looking quite nice. They don't normally produce this many. Pear trees don't really do many, but they're doing alright this year. This one's done. I've picked all them, they're finished. And I've got a plum tree here. This is an opal, and it's a dwarf variety. It's been grafted there. It's a dwarfing patio one, but I've planted it out in the ground to get it a bit more soil. And I've got a herb bed going around here. So I got like curry, marjoram, hyssop, tricolour sage, some variegated thyme. Don't know if you can pick that up on the camera. Yeah, just about. And then that's also variegated, but it's tricolour because it's got like the purpley stems. And then some lemon verbena. That's really nice in bolognese sauce and teas and stuff like that. And here I've got a blackcurrant and a blueberry bush. And some carrots in a tile, big old tractor tile. It followed some onions. And then I got spring cabbage in this bath, but I've got a project for this bath, an upcoming project. And this is how the food forest turns from grass to mulched, and all I do is lay cardboard and it kills it off. So this is after 2 weeks. Goes to like a straw colour and loses its vigour. There's some more apple trees here, some bamboo. I'm hoping to cut that for canes. And I've got some flowers here like crocuses and allium. And then I've got some chives here, nice looking chives. They're sown by seed from seed. Hardneck garlic. Then I've got a loganberry. And there's a tayberry on the end here. And I've got some raspberries. Tillerman, they are, and the other ones are autumn bliss. Then in my no-dig bed with some Swiss chard, beetroot, spring onions, kohlrabi, more beetroot. And there's strawberries in this little pot, like bed, I suppose, if you want to call it that. And then I got some parsley. It's in my main parsley bed. Not massive, but it's a parsley bed nevertheless. And these are parsley seeds, which are really nice in the bolognese sauce again. And I got some mint in this old toilet. And then some rosemary there and some other plants dotted around. And that's the whole thing like that. And then some compost bins here, which no inch gets left, so of growing chives and apple mint in the top here. I had strawberries in there, but they finished. So this is what I'm adding at the moment. Then I turn it over this wall into here, and then that's what it looks like at the moment. It's still quite fresh. There's quite a lot of dirt in it, like soil, but it'll rot down, it'll break down. There's a lot of sticks in it, but it'll be good for drainage, and you know, it'll break down, feed the soil. I won't bother sieving it, I'll just put it underneath. It'll be a top mulch in the polytunnel. It's not much, it doesn't look like much, you know, it's only halfway down the pallet, but it did fill this bay, and when I turned it, it sort of settled again. So I put the cardboard over to keep most of the rain off, keep it nice and dry and give it a bit of protection. This is my raised hinged polytunnel. So I've got some chilies here, looking quite good. There's only about 5 plants in there, but they're coming quite well. And carrots. These carrots are July sowing, but they're rocketing on in the warmth. Beetroot, just a row of beetroot. And then there's some potatoes here, like potatoes for Christmas. And they're meant to be in this whole bed, but they haven't come up. And then they're just ones that I missed from last year. Little ones, and they've poked up. But maybe we'll have a goodish harvest from this little section. I'll replant all of this. So this is going to be no dig by the end of the season. I'm going to put compost on top.